I've never really been like a girly girl, so. I'm Melissa Wiles, and I'm in mid-body assembly, which is like the side, so I do a lot of vertical welds.
My name is Lori Hensel, and here at Heartland, I'm a quality assurance inspector.
My name's Molly Dale. I'm a Class 1 welder at Heartland Fabrication.
When I came here, I shadowed a female, and it was nice because she was comfortable here, and I applied and I got the job. I was comfortable, and everyone's really welcoming here.
Building that camaraderie person to person really helps us to get the job done. My goal right now is to get my Certified Welding Inspector. I'm going to get it, and I'm going to be the first female CWI we have here.
They appreciate us here a lot more than any other place I've worked.
My job history before this wasn't like too great. Like I, dreaded going to work. Didn't care to show up on time. I've been early every single day since I started. I've not been late. So I really enjoy it.
There's no discrimination. There's no special treatment. There's definitely an open door policy. I feel completely comfortable expressing my views to my supervisor. I enjoy the people I work with. I just like welding. I like creating something.
I believe it's like a form of art. So whenever I was learning how to weld, I was really enjoying it.
As a blue-collar female, no matter where you go, every female belongs, and no matter in all the trades, no matter what it is. And if you're ever scared to do it, like I was, just go for it, and the rewards in the end are very much worth it. We are few and far between, and that's normal. There's not a lot of women who work in blue collar, so we always want to make sure we're taking care of each other because women need to build women up, and that's what we should be about. I am proud to work here because I really do value the work we do and the work we put out, and that I know I'm valued here and I've been given the opportunity to advance in my career.